Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about and find solutions for why your steps are not converting on Sweatcoin. So, first, make sure that Sweatcoin has all the apps permission it needs. Go to your phone settings and find the Sweatcoin app. Ensure that it has permission to track your steps and access other necessary data. Next, check if you have the latest version of the Sweatcoin app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you've updated to the newest version. Sometimes update fix bugs like this one. Sometimes the issue is with syncing. Make sure your steps are syncing correctly with the app. Check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. A simple restart can often fix temporary issues, so simply turn off your phone and on again to see if that helps with the syncing problem. If you're still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Sweatcoin app. This can fix any issues that might have come up with the app itself. Finally, make sure your Sweatcoin account is in good standing. Look for any notifications in the app that might indicate account issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.